If you're looking for a family-friendly home on a peaceful, quiet court, today we've got it.
Are you looking for a home with plenty of space that your family can grow into? Today we've got it.
And if you're looking for the perfect entertainer's backyard, complete with privacy, well, you guessed it, because we got all that and more all on today's episode. All right, Julie, we hear the term all the time, family-friendly neighborhood, but I gotta tell you, we're delivering it in spades today. So why don't you fill us in on a little bit about what makes this neighborhood so special?
Absolutely, this home exemplifies a family-friendly one. So you've got a great location here on a court. You're in walking distance to two schools, St. Margaret Dieuville and West Bayfield. Not to mention we're minutes to Bayfield Street, so all of your daily amenities are covered there.
You couldn't agree more, and we've got the perfect family-friendly home to go along with it. We're over 2,000 square feet above grade. You got 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a fully finished lower level, but it's the uniqueness of the floor plan that you're gonna love on this one. We've got vaulted ceilings, total open concept design, plus a lot of those big ticket items have just been taken care of, including brand new roof, brand new air conditioner, and there's lots more. Let's head inside and check it out.
We have the privilege of seeing many different types of homes with many different floor plans, but I can truly say this one is unique. The alterations to this floor plan were made right where it matters, right in your entertaining space. You've got an oversized kitchen that flows seamlessly into your great room, which has vaulted ceilings, tons of pot lights, not to mention a cozy fireplace. You're gonna love entertaining in this space. The main floor is rounded out by a formal dining room, a flex space right at your front door that works well as a home office, a 2-piece powder room, and easy access to your 2-car heated garage.
We're up in the second level now, and I gotta tell you, it's the primary suite up here that's truly gonna steal the show. Of course, we've got 2 separate bedrooms that are generous in size, paired with another full bathroom at the end of the hall. But once you walk into this primary wing, it has a ton of natural light. Plus, you gotta see this ensuite in behind me here. It's a massive glass walk-in shower. You got a marble vanity, plus a gorgeous built-in wardrobe. Check this out.
Whatever your sport of choice is, this is the rec room to watch it in. Complete with this wet bar, this lower level also has a 3-piece bathroom and a home office or an additional bedroom. Sunday night football never looked so good.
If you thought the interior of this home had a ton of entertainment value, just wait until you see this backyard. And it starts right here on your very own, not 1, not 2, but 3-level deck, the ideal spot for entertaining or
manning the barbecue, or should I say womaning the barbecue, or sitting by your chimenea.
Or better yet, maybe you're relaxing in your very own hot tub, watching your kids play in their very own playhouse. Talk about a house that truly has it all.
We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.